everyone. My name's Mia. Based on DeVito's Human Communication Impression Formation on page 69, the personality theory is when you expect certain qualities to go with other qualities of a person. This is the one I found most relevant to me, and unfortunately, the example I'm using is a bit controversial. I just want everyone to keep in mind that I really don't want to hurt anyone's feelings, and I'm sorry if I sound judgy at all, but I think that's kind of the point, is to realize how interesting we sound when we say what we're thinking out loud. So I recently moved to South Dakota from California about a month ago, and I've realized that here, compared to in California, there's definitely more of a culture of being pro-life. That it's not just that, it's also a little bit more of a conservative culture when it comes to how people dress too. And that's definitely been a challenge for me. The main thing that I've noticed about myself since moving here, or my main weakness that I want to focus on, is that I have had a tendency of sort of putting someone that has certain beliefs like that into a box and saying and telling myself, like, you're not very open-minded. Maybe you're not very educated about the consequences of outlawing certain laws. Maybe I feel like if you're telling me what to wear, I feel a little bit like impeded on. Anyways, those are my feelings about that, and it's interesting, or they're kind of feelings I've struggled with, is what I meant to say. It's interesting though, because as I've become more comfortable here, I've kind of been proven wrong with some of those things. And this kind of applies to the self-fulfilling prophecy, when you act on your predictions as if they were true. So I've just, at first when I moved here, I was just like, everyone probably is thinking this about me. Everyone's probably thinking that I'm dressed like weird or whatever. And you know, like, I don't really know what people are thinking, but as people have become more friendly to me and just kind, whether, I don't know what they're thinking about what I wear, but I've become less defensive and just felt a little bit more like, you're friendly and I want to be friendly and we can all be friendly, even if we have differing opinions, that even if they're really important opinions, in my perspective. Okay. The last thing I just wanted to say is that I've noticed when I've been watching other people's videos and with my video as well, we're judging people or stereotyping people off of our own definition of what something means. Like, you know, you're saying that person's dressed lower class or uneducated. Like, what does that even really mean? Somebody's lower, like here, lower class is rich in other places. And in South Dakota to California, modesty is a totally different thing. And that's in the same nation. So I just think that's really interesting. Like, we're all kind of using cultural relativism to to make judgments about people, and we're kind of assuming that we have the same understanding of what the definitions of those words mean. Okay, there's a fly, so hopefully the video still works out. Okay, and yeah, hopefully don't be too hard on me. I'm sorry if I sounded not good. Okay, bye.